Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and that is Sunshine. And we've got the brand new 880 CFM Blower by Ego. This thing's got a whopping 30 newtons. It has beautiful carbon fiber body, just a little bit, and a blasting 200 miles an hour, and a brand new digital display that'll actually show you the battery percentage and more. Now, if you need a blower with flexibility and power, this could be it, to be honest with you. In this video, I am going to do a super quick unboxing, and we're going to show you what's included. We're also going to do a super close look and some detailed specs. So let's check this out. Let's get this party started. Hi, it's Al from techmadeezy with a real quick message. I just want to let you know the video you're about to watch is not sponsored. We went out and bought the products ourselves. So, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps. Share our video. And lastly, we hope you subscribe to our channel and become a part of the family. Thank you. All right, guys, before we get started, two things. One, I want to let you know we are doing a comparison on the commercial LBX1000 and this brand new 880 CFM blower. So keep in mind that is coming any day now, and we'll put the link in the video description. Next, I want to tell you what we're covering in this video. Now, we're not going to do any demos, so this is going to be informational. We are going to do a very quick unboxing. We're going to show you what's included. Then we're going to do a super close look, and we'll then go over detailed specs. But let's go ahead and check this out. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. There you go. Look at this. I mean, they give you a lot in this package. And honestly, it's, what is it, $130 more. You get two 4 amp hour batteries. You get the 320 watt charger, a shoulder strap, and you even get additional nozzles, right? So that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a nice close look at this. Up close and personal. And look at this. You get the spread nozzle, which is huge, by the way. It really is. You get the tapered nozzle. This is what gives you that higher miles per hour. Obviously, the tube goes on the blower. You get a strap, your booklets, two 4 amp hour batteries, latest generation with the fuel gauge. We'll take a look at those. And then the 320 watt charger. And you know, you could get a 550 or a 700 watt if you want to charge faster. Those have fans also, so they cool during and after. So let me, I'm not going to bother taking a battery out, but I'll show you how to put this together. I will have the batteries out in a moment. I'll show you how to put this together real quick so you could see that. And then I'm going to go over, we're going to take a close look, and we're going to go over detailed specs. Again, no demonstration in this video. All right, let's dig in and take a look. So I'm not going to put this nozzle on, all right, but I will show you it with the tapered nozzle. And we're going to put this tube on now, and all you do is just press this in. So just a good look at the tube. This little piece here is for the tip we're going to be putting on the nozzle. There, all right. But that's it. So let's take this for a minute, grab this guy. You'll see that there is this little notch. It's locked on. Here's a good look at that carbon fiber, by the way. That's sweet. I'll tell you, they make some good-looking products. I love the color combo. And their innovation, they're just so innovative, you know? So really good look there at that carbon fiber. Very nice. Here's your air intake, so you don't want to block that. It's a little larger than some, but not all. I'm going to pull out the 1000 CFM. Again, I announced it earlier, but we're going to be doing a side-by-side spec comparison and physical comparison with this and the 1000 CFM, which is commercial, by the way. This is residential. Again, brushless motor. Can't mess with that. Here's your trigger with a nice handle. And this is kind of, I feel like this is new. I don't remember the grip texture being on the older 530, blower, stuff like that. So you do get some real nice grip. You do get a trigger lock, by the way, So when you get the amount of air coming out that you want, you pull the trigger and it will lock it for you. And that's it. You just got to blow to your heart's content. We'll take a look at the screen. This is your turbo button. And then that is where your battery goes. So you just kind of like slide it on the rails. And I'll show you that in a minute. Now this is nice. They're continuing to add the protectors for the battery terminals. I like that. And this is the release switch. As you can see how it works. It releases the battery. We're going to put a battery on. And here's the tapered nozzle. So all we want to do is take this, align it with this. Give it a nice knock. Now it's locked in place, and that's going to give you the power. It's nice that they have the spread nozzle, but this is the one that'll give you the power when you need it. So, check that beast out there, huh? Now here's the batteries you get. Again, if you buy tool only, you don't, but look at this. You get 2 4-amp-hour batteries. These are dated October 2024, just so you'll know, the ones that came in the box. But, 4 amp hours, a new battery for them, right? They went from 5 amp hour to 7.5 amp hour. Now they've got a 4 amp hour and a 6 amp hour in between. Now they have even an 8 amp hour battery. So you get 2 of these. And just to show you, they slide on. So you could see, if I could show you real quick, so you could see under here, you've got your rails. And these rails go with these rails. So you just take this, right? Once it's on, push it in, you're ready to go. Oh boy, that's pretty powerful. So let me show you how to put the strap on real quick, just so you'll know where the strap goes. And then we'll continue to look at the screen, and then we'll go over specs and pricing. Here's the shoulder strap. Now this is nice and comfortable. By the way, they've got really good cushion in here. Nice logo. This does move, when it's in here. It is adjustable. Right now it's at its probably smallest size, and you can adjust it using this. All right, you can just pull out what you need or pull in what you don't need. Just showing you, that's the buckle there. And then here, this is it. This is so simple. You leave it closed. So right now it's closed. If you need to open it, you just kind of push this in to open it. But basically, you just take this and, you kind of just go like that. That's it. You're done. And this won't come out. On some of these, it's made to just grab and hang, and you throw it on whatever shoulder you want. But this won't come out until you actually release this. So, see that? Open up, grab. You are ready now to shoulder strap. And by the way, they don't have one on this side. They only have one on that side there. Now let's take a moment. We'll go over the display. We'll go over the turbo button, the lock button, and the trigger. So if we grab this here and just take a look at the display, there's a battery present right here where my finger is. This will be your power level, and that is your battery level, right? So, it's saying we have about 60% or anywhere between really 41% and 60%, because this will light up until it's dead, all right? So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Now, you can lock the trigger on a low setting. And by the way, this thing it's got some power. So I'm going to hold the trigger just a little bit. So as you can see, that's really good because that, after a while, especially when you have a lot of blowing, you don't have to keep your hand on the trigger. So I like the lock button a lot. Now, another thing that's cool is when you have it locked on a low setting or whatever setting, and you need turbo, you just press turbo and it's there for you. I'll show you. So it's pretty cool. Now these batteries, when they come, they're not fully charged in the box, and that's okay, because you don't want batteries fully charged sitting around in a stockroom somewhere. But pretty nice, huh? So lock button, turbo button. Again, just really nice ergonomics. And, let me pull out, and let's just take another close look this way. But again, we're just looking at it this way for a moment. Carbon fiber, right? We got the tip there, right? This is the tapered nozzle. More power. 880 CFM. So really, really nice. Let me pull out the 1000 and we'll put it right next to it. So there you go. 880 CFM in a 1000. Now, as you can see, the tube on this one is thicker, first of all. Again, that is commercial, don't forget, but you can buy it. It's going to only have a commercial 2-year warranty. Look at the air intake. All right, there's some other differences, but we're going to have that comparison video coming up. I'll put an image in the upper left-hand corner you could look at real quick. Again, that is coming really soon. I'm now going to go over pricing and specs. Let's go over the model numbers first. So the tool only is lb8800. It sells for $269. If you want the kit, it's lb8803 for $399. Again, that comes with the two 4-amp-hour batteries as shown and the 320-watt charger. Look, the 4-amp-hour battery sells for like $160. If you bought two of them, you'd be at $320 right there. And then the charger is about another $100. Think about it. So this is the way you get your batteries. Now, max air volume, 880 CFM. Max air velocity, 200 miles per hour with the included tapered nozzle, and they give you a spread nozzle. Now, let's talk about something we don't talk a lot about, newtons. This is 30 newtons. It's actually one of the most, and it's not the, but it's one of the most powerful residential blowers that Ego has offered. All right, we'll talk more about that, but let me bring up a slide to show you the definition of newtons real quick. There you go. Hit pause if you want to review that. Getting back to specs, so there's no gas engine equivalent, to my knowledge, no information provided. This is a brushless motor that they have in here, and there's no motor wattage. The variable speed trigger is 270 CFM on the lowest to 700 on the highest, and then if you press the turbo button with the tapered nozzle, that's 880 CFM. And by the way, your turbo runtime is 8 minutes, just so you'll know, if you just push this thing on turbo full time. This blower doesn't have any connectivity, so there's no Bluetooth. Now the LBX1000 has that. The tool material is a, carbon fiber, as you could see there, along with some plastic. So they did have some carbon fiber we showed you earlier. No secondary handle, and yes, it's got that digital display we showed you a moment ago. No LED light. The IP rating on this is IPX4. And we'll pull up an image and show you what that means. The weight on this is 4.9 pounds or 2.22 kilograms. And the warranty is 5 years on the tool and 3 years on the battery. All right, guys, I'm going to show you the image one more time on the video coming that's going to compare the LBX1000 to this 880 CFM. Now, when that video launches, I will put a link in the video description. But now, let me just say, first of all, thank you for watching the video. Really, I hope this information helped you. And if it did, do me a huge favor and give us a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate that. And if you could share our video with your friends and your family, that would be awesome. Now I'm going to put our social media on top, so you could follow us on social media. You can check out our new Tesla channel. It's new. Look us up at My Tesla Journey 1 on YouTube and you'll find us. And if you have time, I'm going to put a video right here on the right side where my finger is. You can check that out if you have time. And if you want to subscribe and join the family, go ahead and click this round TechMadeezy logo right there. You'll be able to subscribe and join the family. Guys, thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.